my friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in for another video. My name is Sarah. So today we're going to be making something very yummy for this hot summer outside. We're going to be making homemade ice cream, and for today we'll be making strawberry ice cream. From the strawberries we went strawberry picking. If you haven't seen that vlog, I will link it up here. It was a very fun day. So as soon as we came back home from the picking, I removed the stems and the leaves and I just put them in, put the strawberries in a Ziploc bag and I froze them. This way your berries will never go bad. They will stay fresh for months. You can do this for any of your berries, your blueberries, blackberries, or your strawberries, any of your berries. You can, in fact, any of the fruits. If you want to, make smoothies or ice creams, you can just cut them into small pieces and put them in Ziplocs or containers as such and freeze them, and they do not go bad. They will stay fresh for months. And you can just put them out for a couple of minutes and then use them for smoothies, or just grind them directly to get that nice slushy flavor. So today we'll be using this strawberry. So without any further ado, let's get quickly started. So to start off with this strawberry ice cream, you can make these homemade ice creams super easy and super fast. So for today's strawberry ice cream, I'm going to be first pureeing our strawberries well in my blender. So we're just going to make them like a smooth paste, and then we'll get into the next step. So let's just first do that. So I have my blender here and I'm going to add in all my strawberries in. So what we're going to need is some heavy cream. So we're going to whip it up and then we can move on to the next step. So I'm adding the entire, this is around 473 ml. So around 500 ml, I'm going to be adding the entire thing in. So we have our whipped cream ready here, and to this I'm going to add 1 can of condensed milk. And we're just going to mix these two together. Mixture, we're going to add in our strawberry puree. Wow, look at that beautiful color. I know there are people who do add like a pink food coloring, but I'm not going to do all that today. Just keep it this way. Our mixture is ready, and I'm going to pour it into this glass container here, or any container that you can freeze.
Wow.
So this is ready, and I'm going to now freeze this from about 8 to 10 hours or better, so if it's overnight, and then I will see you guys tomorrow. So I'm going to put this in the freezer. Hey friends, so our strawberry ice cream is ready, and for some aesthetic presence I've placed a small mint leaf. Let's see how it tastes now. Very nice. It's very nice. Like, you can make your own homemade ice cream with any of the flavors, any fruit flavors, and enjoy ice cream whenever you need, even if you can't go out. It's so yum. So I hope you try your homemade ice cream for this summer, and let me know if you guys like this recipe. And I'll catch you guys soon in my next video. You can find all my recipe videos up here in the I bar. So until next time, my friends, I'll catch you guys soon. Take care. Bye bye.